You have an opportunity to set your kids up for success. I'm going to show you how to get your kids on the right track and create wealth for them. By implementing the strategies I teach you today, you can literally make your kids become millionaires over time. Hi, my name is Brad Lineberger, founder of Seaside Wealth Management. We help people successfully transition into retirement and stay comfortably retired. I'm passionate about coaching and teaching on financial matters, and that's why I create videos like this. If you enjoy content such as this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and we'll send you more. The successful retirees I work with have one major concern in common. While their personal financial situation is in good shape, launching their adult children into today's challenging world keeps them up at night. Let's face it, this is a difficult environment for kids to grow up in. The opportunities that were available to you and I growing up are perhaps not quite the same for our kids. Inflation is running rampant, housing prices are sky high, the economy is volatile. That's why I'm going to show you how to set your kids up for a successful future and help them create wealth. Your kids have one amazing thing on their side, and that's time. That's right, the more time they have, the more compound interest can work its miracle and its magic. Let me explain. If you have a 20-year-old child today, they have potentially 5 decades of compounding wealth ahead of them before retirement. A modest savings of just $400 per month, compounding at 10% interest over the next 50 years, will result in a nest egg of nearly $5.6 million. That's a lot of money. Stay tuned until the end, and I'll teach you how to invest properly for maximum long-term growth. Everything is more expensive for kids these days. College, buying a house, raising their kids, sending kids to preschool, buying vehicles. Everything is more expensive, and it's harder than ever for our children to get ahead. Taxes are going to be going up, in my opinion, in the future, and that's going to be a headwind as well. The best thing you can do for your kids is encourage them to open up a Roth IRA and max it out each year. Or you can max it out for them. The 2023 max contribution amount is $6,500 per person. If you contribute $6,500 for your kids for the next 40 years and grow it at 10% per year, this will result in a balance of nearly $3 million. The best thing about it is it's completely tax-free to take money out of a Roth in the future. That's a huge savings. Helping your kids take advantage of the best asset that they have is a wonderful gift to them. You'll bless them and leave a legacy, and the best part is you'll be alive to enjoy watching them enjoy the fruits as well. So I hope you found this helpful. For more tips and tricks, make sure to download your guide on how to save money on taxes in retirement, as well as how to maximize your Social Security benefit. Both of them are found below, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. The best way to invest for your kids, so here's your tip. It's by using a globally diversified mix of low-cost ETFs, exchange-traded funds. You want exposure to big US companies, small US companies, big international companies, small international companies, emerging markets, and REITs, which is real estate investment trusts. I prefer to use ETFs or exchange-traded funds because they're low cost, they're very tax efficient, especially if you're using them outside of IRAs, and you can get precise to the way that you want to invest for your asset allocation.